Welcome to you, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to be talking about ordering some samples on Printful. I recently ordered some samples. You actually get a 20% discount if you order samples to your address with Printful. So this is what I did. Now there were two main things I wanted to check out. First was the Anvil t-shirt. I never seen an Anvil, never tried one on, so I really wanted to see how the quality was compared to Balaclava. So Balaclava is the one I usually use, usually the one I promote mostly on my Etsy store, so most of my prints are going on to a Balaclava. So this is the Anvil one. I like how it fits. So this one's a large. I really like it. Nice fit. Now comparing it to the Balaclava, I think it's almost really close to the same quality. I might say it's a little thinner, but not significantly. Now the stitching, I might say the Balaclava has a little bit better stitching, but overall they're very, very close. And even the price difference isn't much. I think currently Balaclava has a little bit cheaper. Overall, I am happy with the Anvil t-shirt. So this might be, moving forward, I might offer this on my Etsy store. Now the second thing I really wanted to check out is the print quality as towards photo images. So this is a Balaclava. You can see this has been worn several times and the print quality is still holding on. So this one right here has over a year. This one is actually on an American Apparel and the print quality is still holding on strong. So I am pretty happy with Printful and how the prints are actually going on to the apparel. So most of my designs are vector based and they're usually just one or two colors, and I wanted to actually try out more of a photo and see how the quality came out. So this is, so I manipulated this with Photoshop. This kind of called a duotone effect. And I'm pretty happy how it came out. So I'm a bit more confident of actually what these printing machines can do on t-shirts. So moving forward, maybe I'll do more photorealistic or using photo images on t-shirt designs now that I can see that the results are fairly decent. So that is it for today. I would suggest for you guys to, order some samples if you're either with Printful or any other fulfillment company. See how your designs are coming out in your, on your t-shirts, as well as maybe even testing out different brands. So if this is your first time hearing about Printful, I have a link down below. It's an affiliate link, so I would really appreciate it if you use my affiliate link to sign up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, until the next video, peace.